evening. Thank you. So you know why I come here, right? With such very dear and loving friends like Karkare sir, you cannot say no. He not only makes you feel so welcome but very loving, and it is always a great joy to be a part of this celebration. And thank you Rasika, thank you Mugda for such kind hospitality and such kind words. I feel that I've already got the award. You are going to get some trophy. I already got it. Because of all the beautiful words they said about me. So I'm just going to take my pleasant job for today is to celebrate your success, to give you those trophies. But like he said, don't forget the other people who are not in this hall. Do you have any friends who are not here? Yes. So please remember them also. So this award is for you, but little bit of it you share with that other friend who is not here. Okay. I want to remind you. First of all, I'm very happy to see that the parents are sitting in the back and the students are sitting in the front. So this is a tradition which Karkare sir always has. That the stars of the evening are the students and their parents have to take a back seat. So if you keep doing this, you will always be in the front seat. At one point you will also be driving the car. So continue to be in the front seat so that your parents are in the back seat and cheering you and celebrating you. I want to observe, where is Shlok? Will you please get up? So please give him a big round of applause. Thank you. So did you see Shlok, the way he was playing the keyboard? Did you observe him? Could you see him? He was on the stage just now, 5 minutes ago, and he was playing the music on the keyboard. Where are Shlok's parents? Are they here? So can you please get up, please? Let us give them a round of applause also. Congratulations. Because you know, the child or the student is like a flower. The flower comes from a tree or a plant, and the plant is there. So we have to appreciate the plant also. That's how the flowers come. But did you see Shlok when he was playing the keyboard? Did you see him? Did you observe him? What did you notice? What did you notice about him? That's right. What is your name? Aditya. Aditya gave the correct answer. There is no prize for it, but we will share the prize for it. He said he was totally focusing on the keyboard. Did you notice that when he was playing the music, his attention was totally on the keyboard, so much so that he did not even look at you. He was totally focused like this. So suppose I give you a speech, suppose I read, if I don't speak to you and I'm invited to give a speech and I'm so nervous that only I read like this. Oh children, good evening, congratulations. Okay. That is not good look. But when you are performing, when you are doing a music performance, when you are playing the keyboard, see how much concentration Shlok had. It is called focus. And that is what your whole secret is going to be. Focus, 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 focus. Not focus, focus, but focus. So this just shows that if you love something, if you really are dedicated and focused, you also start loving it. First you do it, then you work hard at it, then you focus on it, then you concentrate on it, and then you start loving it. Then it is no longer hard work. It's no longer boring. So what Karkare sir is teaching you, whether it is your subject mathematics or anything else, it is that that is the secret. As I said, this is just the beginning. So I think please remember after today's evening when you get your medal or your prize, please remember the secret of success or the secret of your work is the way Shlok was playing the keyboard. Today's evening, 24th of January 2016, you got a prize from Karkare sir. But also remember that performance which Shlok gave, how he was totally focused on what he was doing. That is why he was so successful and so good. And he's going to get better. This is just the beginning. So my job today is just to congratulate you. I just also want to remind you that what is day after tomorrow? Republic Day. I'm glad you said not holiday. What is day after tomorrow? Holiday. No, it is the Republic Day. And do you know what the difference between Republic Day and Independence Day? So can you tell what is the difference?
The difference is that on Independence Day we got an independence, but on Republic Day someone wrote the Constitution.
He said, what is her name?
Thea.
Tia.
No, Thea Gandhi.
Sia.
Thea Gandhi.
Sia. So she gave the answer that on Independence Day we got independence, and on Republic Day somebody wrote the Constitution. Not somebody, we all wrote the Constitution. So the difference is that on 15th of August 1947, we got independence, we got freedom, we became free. Free from whom? Free from British rule, free from a foreign rule, free from slavery, free from being somebody under somebody. But on 26th January 1950, that is almost 3 years later, we got responsibility. So first we got freedom, then we got responsibility. That is, when we were not free, we were under British rule. So the rules were made for us by the British people, by the British rulers. Indians cannot go into the restaurant. Indians cannot walk here. Indians have to pay this tax. If you are not British, then you don't have any privilege. Indians have to do this, Indians do that, do and don't. All these rules were made by the British people. So the first thing we did is we got rid of them. Usko bolo, bye-bye, Tata, go back to Britain. That was 15th August 1947, independence. But then we had to make our own rules. How do we live together? What do we, so our own do's and don'ts. That is, we should not hurt each other, we should not beat each other, but also we should help each other. The way we should drive on the road, we should obey a traffic signal. We should not do this, we should do this. The do's and don'ts, and we should have freedom of speech, freedom to practice our religion, freedom to pursue studies, freedom, like he said, learn, earn, return. When you start earning, your freedom to pursue a job. All these rules came from the Constitution, like Sia said. So when we made the rules for ourselves, we are a free society, we are a free country, but we have to behave in a certain way. How do we behave? That is the Constitution. So that is called responsibility. So first came freedom, then came responsibility. There cannot be any freedom without responsibility. So right now you are free kids. You're enjoying your mathematics, you're getting good marks, and after some time you also have to really enjoy your freedom, you will get responsibility when you are older. And I just want to repeat what Gargare sir said. You are learning, then you will be earning, and then you will also be returning to your friends and to society. That is the responsibility part. Freedom and responsibility. Freedom is independence, responsibility means Republic Day. So in advance, I will wish you Happy Republic Day. And just to again conclude, I want to congratulate all of you. This is, when you run a race, like when you are doing a running race, you participate in this 100-meter race, 50-meter race, or you do only mathematics. You participate, So how does the race begin? What do they say? On your marks, get set, go. So on your marks, these are the marks he talked about, 98, 92, 100. So on your marks, these are your beginning marks. On your marks, get set, go. Then go is for the next 10 years, I don't know, maybe 15 years. But don't be satisfied with those marks. Even if you got 98, I would say, that's only 98 mila. But I got 99 and 100, why did you get 2 marks? So there's always a way to improve. Even if you get 100 in the exam, but next exam, you got 100 now, but next exam, so there is always more. So on your marks, these are your marks for which you are going to celebrate, you are going to give medal, but get set, go, you have to go far ahead. This journey is really far ahead. So keep going, the more you work at it, the more hard work, the more dedication, the more focus. Remember, like slow focus, you are going to enjoy, you are going to love it. And one last thing is that Gargare sir said, and I want to differ slightly with him. He said that if somebody is working 2 hours, you have to work 2 hours 15 minutes. You have to work more than others, you have to know more than others. I think really just थोड़ा सा twist करो message को. You have to know more, but you're the only person that you need to do better than, the only person that you need to beat, the only person that you need to excel, to go ahead of is, who is that person? Who is that person? Yourself. This is very bright children. I'm very happy. Yes, the only person you need to beat is yourself. You have to do better than yourself. Doesn't matter what your friend got. Doesn't matter what somebody else got. And when you celebrate your success, also celebrate the success of others. Please remember that just like we are here to celebrate your success, you also have to celebrate other people's success. When your brother or sister, you are in second standard, who is in second standard? Okay, do you have any brother or sister who is in 7th standard or 5th standard? Right? So when your brother or sister does well, you feel proud. So when they do well, you also celebrate. Similarly, when other people do well, they have to celebrate. So we have to do better than ourselves only. The only people we need to beat is ourselves. You have to know more than what we now know today. You have to do better, you have to work harder, but also celebrate your success and other people's success. Then you will get great joy. Okay? So I don't want to give any more lamba choda bhashan. I'm here to enjoy like you. I'm here to enjoy your success. So once again, congratulations and a warm round of applause to all of you.